Uh, so here, this is Balram. I have total 17 years of experience. I'm the Hot and Work certified professional, and I have nearly 6 years of experience in the same field, and total experience is 17 years. Okay, 6 years and 17 years. So here, uh, so let us start the session directly without wasting the time. So I will just try to introduce the data science now. Yeah. So here we are going to discuss about the data science. What is the data science and the definition, basic definitions and all. Why data science? First of all, we have to know what is why data science. I will briefly explain what is the data science, why it is, and other things. And I don't want to take your time, much time for theory part. Okay, I will just briefly give the information. Yeah, Himanshu, I will give you the brief, yeah, about the course and what are the details, what are the topics I will cover. I will explain you everything. Okay, please be patient. So we I'm going to discuss about that. First, I just want to clear, of course, whether you will continue or not. I want to clear some of the. I want to give some clarification on on this field first of all, and then you will decide. Okay, at the end of the session, I will explain you what is the course structure, and then you can decide. Okay, okay, let us continue. Yeah. So, first I will try to explain with the simple examples. See, as you observe that from last number of decades, the data was increased, as you know, because of the lot of there is lot of data was generated because of the developments and all. So much of data was generated, right? So how to store this much of data? That is the main problem. And then how to use the data, that is also another problem. So we have to understand how to use the data and how to uh, uh, yeah how to use the data and how to analyze the data. Why should we analyze? See, I will go to the next one. So of course there are number of generators are the data generators, websites, smartphones, stock market. I don't want to waste much time here. So here lots of hidden information in that. Here I can spend some time. So what is the hidden information? So let us say, for example, hidden information in the sense, in the US somewhere, some departmental stores and some organization, they found that whoever taking the diapers for kids, they are taking the wine also. So they discovered that by analyzing their customers data. Okay, actually what is the relation between the diapers and the wine? It is funny actually, but it is correct, because after that they gone through some customers. So they identified that whoever having the kids, they are not having proper sleep in the nights. So they are taking much wine. So the wine sales are also increased because of that reason. So in this way, unrelated, actually these are the two unrelated things, but they have the relation. We found the relation because of the analysis, in-depth analysis of the available data. So that hidden information can be found by using the analysis, okay. So what is that analysis? That analysis, how can we do that? And even if you want to perform that analysis, there may be some type of data, that may be the structured data, the available data, meaning that, for example, your WhatsApp messages. If you see your WhatsApp messages, they are unstructured data. See, we are not following any format and grammar also. We are not following the grammar also to send the WhatsApp messages and different languages. So unstructured, there is no structure, and it is plain text and no structure. And sometimes we are sending them symbols also. So that may be the semi-structured, that may be the unstructured, that may be the structured also. What is the structure? Your details, meaning that your account details and your profile, all these are the structured. Yes, name is this one, your location is this one, your date of birth is this one. So that is structured. So it may be, it can fit in a table. That is a structured data. Structure, the available data, the generated data, it may be the structured, unstructured, or it may be the semi-structured also. Semi-structured means there are some formats of the files. Let us say, for example, HTML, XML, all these files, all these types of files, they are semi-structured. Okay, so the data may be available in different structures, and the difficulty is to analyze the structured data with unstructured data. It is difficult. Analysis of the real-time data is also another challenging task. Okay, analysis of the big data, it is also another challenging task. Big data in the sense very large amount of data which cannot be fit in a single machine. That is the big data. So it is also the challenging task. Now already companies like Facebook, Yahoo, Google, Amazon, all these are already started the analysis, and the analytical products also they are started. So it is very interesting field, and it is, we cannot say that it is emerging field. It is already grown up at one level, it reached one level. So further implementations, further research is also going on, further is also there. So all the companies, yeah, this at this time I have to mention one thing. In future there will not be any programmers in the IT companies. There will not be, there will be only the data scientists. Data scientists are data science experts, data science application programmers. So it will become like that. Why I will tell you in the coming slides. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now why about the data science? It is not a single tool. Data science is not a tool. It is a combination of several topics. So what are the topics? This is the data science. Mathematics, statistics are the very important topics for the data science. These are the two main pillars. And then the machine learning is also having so much of this is the machine learning is the heart of the data science. We can say that it is the heart of the data science. And deep learning, it is the inside the machine learning there is the deep learning available. And then domain expertise is also very important. Domain expertise means if you are working on the if you are working on the university data or student information, then you should know about the education system. If you want to work on the hospital management, then you should know about the hospital management. So that is a domain expertise. And then you should have the data visualization. You have to show the data, available data in different formats. That may be visualize. You have to visualize that with the graphs, with so many things we have to visualize that. And then communication, the communication is also very important. So here there should be the communication between the wings, between the departments, and so many things are there. And within the data also there should be so much of communication is required. Okay, so from one node to another node, and one place to another place, like that, one network to another network. And another important thing is the computer science, which deals with the technology, meaning that all these are having the concepts whatever we have discussed about, whatever the mathematics, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, domain expertise, communication, all these are the base concepts. And if you want to implement them, you should have the computer science knowledge. The computer science is also playing important role. It is increasing the availability, meaning that the power of the data science. Now of course the scope of the data science, it is measureless. We are using anywhere, so many places. Okay, and right now I just want to confirm, am I with you? Is it okay for you, this way and this approach and this speed? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, so if you feel any uncomfortable, or if something bouncing from your view, then please let me know so that I can change the style. Right, next. So I just want to give you the overview of the data science now with the comic pictures. So here, see this here, these are the sources of the data. The data may be available in various formats. It may be in the database format, it may be in the see here, this is the database format. It may be in the various file formats. It may be the PDF, it may be the document or Excel or CSV or CSS or HTML or XML or any type of file, and it may be the current affairs and current news and archive data, meaning that old data. It may be the old data and government rules. It represents the government rules. See, I will give you a small example for that. See, blockchain is banned in the India. So because of that reason, there is a lot of effect on the market. So the government rule also affecting the data analysis. So, and then the cloud, it is very huge amount of data can be maintained in the cloud, and the of course there are so many advantages with the cloud. And we have the, of course we have the social media, obviously. So much of social media is available. See here, it is like a tree, it is growing continuously. So Facebook, um, LinkedIn, Twitter, all these are available, and it is continuously growing because of the streaming of the data, continuous streaming of the data, right? So if you want to analyze this much of data, it is very difficult. Yeah, I will answer all your questions once if I complete the my topic. Okay, I just want to introduce the data science, and then I will come to your point. Please, I will ask you to I will give some time to ask the questions. Okay, please. Yeah, so here this is like the data science. Now we have the data science. What the data science will do? Actually, it will not do the wonders. It will just give a simple thing, that is, it takes any type of data science can take any type of data, and it will just produce the product. What is that? That is a data product. It will just produce a data product. It is like a milk, raw milk. How you will consume that milk, that is your wish. So all this data has been taken by the data science, and it is giving some data product, and that data product can be consumed in various formats, various forms. See here, there is a, maybe that raw milk, or you can convert that into the cheese or butter or ghee or whatever it is, but in different formats you can convert that, right? Yeah. And then let us see the definition of the data science. The same thing I'm explaining in the proper format. That is, the data may be available in different formats, and that it may be in different levels, and irrelevant data may be also available. So the decision maker, he has to take the data, and he has to filter, and he has to analyze. It will take years of time. Instead of that, if he use the data science, what is the data science? It is the art of turning data into actions. So it takes the data and produces the data product. That is the actionable information. The data product is the actionable information, and that will be taken by the decision maker, and he will take the decision based on the data product. Now the definition is, data science is an art of turning data into actions by producing the data product. This is a simple definition. Of course, so many definitions are there. This is one of the definition, good definition. Okay, now the examples are recommendations. In your Amazon, you are getting the recommended products for you, and in your Facebook, the people you may know, like that, some list is there. Okay, in LinkedIn also, the surroundings and some other people, you may get the suggestions that you may like this. All these are the recommendation systems. That is also the part of the data science. Okay, weather forecast, and tomorrow there will be the rain or not, or snowfall or not, like that. There are so many things. And stock market predictions, so many stock market predictions are there. Okay, so all these are the various things. So please confirm, am I with you? Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, so let us see one question. Actually, one question was there. Let us answer that question and we can continue. Yeah, yeah, which topic or key in mathematics? I have read mathematics from a long time. What should I do, and how to approach to become the data scientist? Yes, if you want to become the data scientist, I think he is Himanshu. Yeah, Himanshu. If you want to become the data scientist, there is there are some skills required for the data scientist that I am going to discuss now. Okay, that is a part of our session now. Okay, I will discuss. Yeah, let us continue on. Yeah, so here, now first of all, most of the candidates who are entering into this field, they are in the confusion that who is the data engineer, who is the data analyst, who is the data scientist. They are in the confusion. So I just want to clear that confusion, and I can go forward. So here, the data engineer, actually, if you join in a company, generally you will get the programmer post, right? After that programmer post, in the higher level, there is the analyst and data engineer. So upper than the beginner level. So here data engineer, he is the higher position. So he is responsible, and he should have the knowledge of data management, file management, big data, data warehousing, and the database handling. And he should have the programming skills, and also he should have the data visualization skills. Okay, now what are the tools required? Oracle, MySQL, regular operating system, and file handling techniques, and so many other concepts are also required, and also Hadoop, big data. For big data, Hadoop is also required. That is also the part of the data engineer. And then now here he is the data analyst. Data analyst, he should have the good programming skills, and data visualization skills, and also deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning in the sense, he has to apply the current situation to the theory, existing theory means, what is the existing theory? That is the old theorems which was designed. So those theorems he has to he has to compare the current situation with the existing theorems, and he has to get the conclusion. That is the deductive reasoning. I will explain you that as a part of the course. Okay. And then use the existing tools and algorithms. He should be able to use the existing tools and algorithms. He will not create the algorithms, he will just use. And then statistics, or statistics, machine learning, and mining, all these are the required skills. Now who is the data scientist? You can see this is the data scientist. Now he should have the all the skills of the data analyst as well as the data engineer also. So most of the components of the data engineer also. So he should be able to understand the big data, visualization, and all concepts, and inductive reasoning. Additional concept is the inductive reasoning, meaning that from the observations he has to be able to design the thesis. Okay, that is also part of the data scientist. Undirected research, initially there will not be any target. You have to fix the target. So you have to fix the target, and then you have to find the target. What is the target? You have to identify. That is the undirected research. So without any target, you have to start work. Okay, design thesis. You have to design the thesis, because undirected research, and he should be able to access the multiple resources, and then he has to find the problems and solutions also. And these are the various topics, various tools required for the data scientist, like Python or Spark, MongoDB. All these are the various tools required for the data scientist, at least some of them. Got it? Any doubts here? Any doubts? No. Very good. Okay, I assume that no doubts. I got only one answer. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'm going for that. Now these are the activities. I don't want to discuss those activities, and I don't want to take much time here, because this is a no, I'm coming to that point, Rahul. That's why I'm skipping all these things. Okay, so I'm skipping them. I'm going forward. Okay, so here, yeah, these are the tools required for the data scientist: Java, R, Python, Hadoop, HDFS, MapReduce. Because I have to give the main idea about the data science. Okay, so and then I can come further. I will go to the regular course. Okay, so here all these are the required tools. You can have a look. Hadoop, HDFS, MapReduce also there. Python is there. Sklearn, scikit-learn, pandas, NumPy, of course TensorFlow, Keras also included. So many are there. So many concepts are there. MATLAB, SAS, SPSS, NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, MS Excel, SQL, DBMS, ETL, data warehousing. All these are the various tools required for the data scientist, right? And then I just want to go for the data scientist mentality, meaning that skill set. See here, the data scientist should have two types of skills. One is the intangible X factors. Second one is the tangible technical skills. See here, intangible X factors means curiosity. They cannot learn. You have to build. Curiosity, creativity, and focus. Creativity means you have to invent the new approaches for the analysis. And focus, you should have the patience. An algorithm or an analysis, it may take weeks and years, weeks to years also. So you should have the patience. Tangible technical skills you can learn. You should be able to design the hypothesis. You should be participate in the acquire, prepare, analyze, and act phases. In the previous slide, actually I skipped that. Okay, the mathematics, computer science, and domain expertise. Any one of them should be you should have any one of them. Okay. Now, next here, the operating models. Yeah, I don't want to. I just want to discuss about this. See, why should you go for the data science? Because centralized data science, actually models. This is the data science team model. Actually, the data science team is like this: a separate department, and all remaining departments they have to communicate with the data science department, and then they can analyze. This is the old fashion. Now the current fashion is here the deployed model. Number of departments are there. The data science team is deployed into each department, and so that the miscommunication is reduced, so you can directly communicate with the data science. Okay, and in future diffused model is there. Very soon we will get the diffused model, because see, all the organizations they want the diffused model. That's why in future there are no jobs without data science, because every programmer should have the data science skills, otherwise we don't have the jobs. Okay, so already so much of research is going on in the organizations, that is internal. It is not it didn't come out, but it has already started. Okay, so diffused model, every programmer should have the data science skills. That is a rule that is coming up. Okay, and then so data science team, I don't want to discuss this about this now. So machine learning, yeah, in the data science one part is the machine learning, so it is also very important. So the yeah, see here, if you go with the traditional programming and machine learning, this is a little bit different. In the traditional programming, the programmer will have the ability, he has to analyze the problem, he has to write the rules, he has to evaluate, and again he has to modify. So because of that reason he became thin. Okay, so and now here data scientist, he see here, he has to just give the data and algorithm, that's it, and remaining work that will be taken care by the machine. See here, the machine will walk through the algorithm and the data available, and it will tune the model and it will give you the direct results. What is the machine learning, that I will explain you in detail. Okay, so I think you have some idea about this right now. Am I correct? Yes, is that clear till now? Yeah, fine. Now, I don't want to touch all these concepts, it will take so much of time. So types of machine learning systems based on the data flow, based on the reasoning, based on the human supervision. There are several types are there. We will discuss about all these types. Okay. And then machine learning approaches, there are similar of approaches, that is the deductive and inductive reasoning that I explained you previously. Okay. And then the supervised learning, all these concepts again I will explain. I will come back and I will explain in detail. Okay, and supervised learning is there, and then semi-supervised learning is there, and reinforcement is there, and then course structure. So you just give me one time, you just give me some time, two minutes of time. Yeah, yeah, I just want to show one more slide actually. 1 minute, Please wait a minute. Yeah, yeah. So here we have. With this, you will get a good idea. Yeah, steps to learn the data science. So here, if you want to go for the data scientist, if you want to become the data scientist, then see here, the data science is having, it is like a phase. In that phase, machine learning and deep learning, these are the two eyes of the data science. These are the two eyes. Are you getting the screen updating? Yes, okay. So machine learning and deep learning, these are like two eyes. Without that, we cannot do anything in the data science. And big data, it is like a nose, meaning that it provides the oxygen. If you want to analyze anything, you should have the oxygen. Without oxygen, what can you do? You cannot do anything. Okay, oxygen, it is the oxygen. So big data. And then visualization, it is the presentation. If you analyze that, what is the use? There is no use. So you have to express it. There is a visualization. So if you want to become the data scientist, you should have all these concepts. But if you want to go through all these concepts, it will take nearly 2 years. Less than 2 years, it is not possible. Okay. And if you struggle a lot and if you want to concentrate more, then you can complete it in 1 year. But below that, it is not possible. That's why what we have done is we have separated all the concepts and machine learning. In this course, we are concentrating on the machine learning concepts. Okay. And then deep learning is a next level of the course. Okay, that will be the next course. And the big data, it is the next course. Okay, another course which includes the Hadoop, big data, which includes the Hadoop, and visualization, that we will cover in these three topics only. And another advanced version, advanced course will be there, mixing of the big data and the machine learning. That will be another course. So overall, the very large course, it is dividing into several modules and parts. So in this course, we are concentrating on the machine learning. I hope you understand why we are where we are, right? So you got the idea where you are. For you, I think you understand what is the difference between the data science and the machine learning also, and also big data. Most of the main problem is in the market, everyone is making the candidates confused. They are making they are creating the confusion. Data science and machine learning are the same. No, it is not the same. Data science is a combination of machine learning, deep learning, big data. If you combine all of them, then it is the data science. But nowadays, even the textbooks also publishing like that only. So the data science means only machine learning. No, it is not. Data science means it is a combination of all. Please make the note that this is an important slide you should remember. Got it? Any doubts here? I'm coming to the course structure now. Yeah. Okay. Now course structure. First, I will start with the language. Okay. I have shown you in the first slide. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. In this course, in this course, I am dealing with one language. What is that language? Is Python. I'm taking the Python because it is a universal language. It is providing the environment for data pre-processing, analysis, and also for the visualization. Everything, all are available in the Python. This is a universal language. Now it has become the universal language after Java. Actually, Java has become the universal language, actually. But here now the Python is becoming like that. So everywhere you can use the Python. So I'm taking the Python, and so many powerful libraries are there, like NumPy, Pandas, and inside that, as the part of that, machine learning is also available. Now, what part of the Python I will cover? I'm not covering the entire Python. It will take 1 year time, but I'm not taking complete Python. The concepts which are required for the machine learning and data science, only those parts I am taking from the Python, and I am explaining those concepts. And then I will start the machine learning and machine learning algorithms. And within the machine learning, for machine learning in Python, there are some libraries available, that is scikit-learn. Scikit-learn library is available. So based on that scikit-learn library, we will implement and use the machine learning algorithms in scikit-learn. Okay, and now for this we should have one IDE, some IDEs, because we have to install all of them separately and we have to work on them. So instead of that, it is better to have the IDE. So there are several IDEs available. One of the most popular IDE is the Anaconda, which is the combination of the collection of number of IDEs, Anaconda. So it is providing the Spider, it is providing the Jupyter. These are the two basic IDEs, very powerful IDEs for the Python programming and machine learning programs and projects. Okay, so I will deal with all these things in this course. The softwares or libraries. Did you get some idea? Did you get some idea about the course now? Yeah. Now let us go to the next one. Now what is this? This is the syllabus. The data science level 1. In that, what is that level 1? That is a machine learning. Okay, so here now first I will start with the basic concepts of the Python. I will give the data types, lists, dictionaries, tuples and all. After that I will start with the NumPy, pandas, and then descriptive statistics. I will discuss about the descriptive statistics, and then how to get the data and pre-processing of the data, and then model fitting, how to fit the model, that I will explain. And then I will go for the various algorithms, regression algorithms, linear regression, polynomial, gradient descent algorithms, and then classification algorithms also there, logistic regression, decision trees, and random forest. We are going through all these algorithms. Okay, and I'm giving one more additional concept which is not included in the syllabus, that is the SVM, support vector machines. Actually random forest or support vector machines, one of them is enough. Okay, I will provide that. If time permits, I can go for the neural networks also. That will be the introduction to the next level of the machine learning, that is a deep learning. Okay, so if time permits, I will give you the brief introduction about the ANN, artificial neural networks. Okay, if time permits. Now what is the approach, how I will deal with these concepts? My approach is a little bit different than the regular classes. I'm not going to teach the complete theory. See, I will take the class and I will take the session, and then I will explain you the syntaxes, and I will execute some programs before you. Okay, I will execute the programs, okay, in the presence of you, and then I will give some exercises. My exercises will not be in the cooked data sets. Cooked data sets means I will not prepare the data sets. Those data sets are already available in the public sites like Kaggle, UCI. There are so many websites out there. I will pick the data sets from there, and I will make you to execute on the data set, on those data sets. Actually, the problems, I will not give the problems from the Kaggle and other websites. I will frame my own problems based on those data sets. I will give those problems. Once if you are able to answer my questions, answer my problems, then you will be able to answer others problems also. So that is my approach. So for every concept you will have the exercises, number of exercises, so you have to complete those exercises. This is very strict, otherwise I will not go to the next class, you will not be coming to the next class. Okay, this is very strict, because see, very simple logic why I'm making this much of strict. A very simple logic. You are paying the amount and you are coming here for learning. If you join and if you don't learn anything, and simply if you complete your course and if you go out, what is the use? No, I don't want to do like that. I want to make you becomes comfortable in the machine learning on these algorithms and on these topics. So this is my agenda and my syllabus. Now, if you have any doubts, you please ask me. This is your time. You can ask the doubts. I'm waiting for your questions. Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. One question. Yeah, I think all are unmuted. Yeah, some questions are there. Uh, uh, Time frame for the course. Yes. Uh, I'm answering the questions one by one. Yeah. Himanshu. R and Python languages, SAS, Tabla will cover in the data visualization. No, I'm covering only Python in this course. Okay, and then uh, Rahul Agarwal, time frame for the course, time frame. It will be the 5-day week, 5-day a week. Okay, so 5 days, daily 1 hour, or it may take 1.5 hours sometimes, or it may take 40 minutes only. So uh, overall, it is 1 hour session, 5 days a week, and it is 6 weeks course, meaning that you will get 30 sessions. I will not stick on the 30 sessions. If the syllabus is not completed, I'm ready to extend some more sessions also. The main concept is I want to make you understand. That is my main concept, right? Yeah. Next question. Yeah. If we miss the class, then will you get recorded lectures? Yes, that all the lectures will be recorded. You will get the recorded lectures. But my sincere request and advice is don't forward those recorded sessions to anyone because it is your property. You are learning. Okay. Next. How much programming experience is required for learning? If you have the database knowledge, meaning that if you are able to write a query in SQL, that is enough. If you are able to write one Java program, simple Java program, that is enough. If you are able to understand what is the sequence of the program, that is enough. Any programming knowledge or database accessing knowledge, that is enough. Okay, that is the answer for that. I have very less knowledge in the maths, but good in Python. Is that okay? Yes, definitely, Shanmuganan. Yes, I'm also not very good in mathematics. Okay, we are the see in the data science there are two fields. One is the research field, one is the application development field. We are going, if you are very good in the mathematics, you will go for the data science research level. So if you want to go for that, you have to go for the university degrees of the data science. That is the track. That track is different. And another way is you can develop the data science applications like in the Facebook recommendations and Amazon recommendations. All these are the applications. We will go to the application level. We will go to the application level, not the science level. If you want to go for the science level, you should have the mathematics, very strong skills. Audio is not coming. Are you able to hear? Anyone? Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, I'm answering one by one questions. 1 minute. I missed it somewhere. Yeah. Ah, next in maths. Okay, Shanmugan, your doubt is clear. Yeah. Akshay, is it good to learn the tools like Veka instead of spending a lot of time learning Python? Yeah, you can go. There are two ways. You can go for Veka also, but Python is more comfortable language, which is having the freedom to develop your own applications, your own libraries also. So I prefer Python, even compared to R also. I prefer Python. Veka is also there. That is very easy tool, I think. Okay, it is very easy tool, Veka. Okay, next. Do we get any written notes or reference books? I will provide you so many reference books and I will provide you the soft copies of those books also. Don't worry. And I will provide you the links. Nowadays, because of the internet, you are getting so many things, but don't follow all the textbooks. I will refer some textbooks, because even in the textbooks also there are so many mistakes. I will provide you the good textbooks, don't worry. Okay. And you have to maintain the running notes while taking the classes, while listening the classes. That is compulsory. Next, will there be job assistance once we complete? Yeah, that you have to ask the consultancy or institute. Shanmugananother. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yes. Yeah. Any more doubts? I think I answered. Up to what level of mathematics required? Like senior secondary level or college? Yeah, that is enough. Senior secondary level is enough. Senior secondary level is enough. Okay. Yeah. And then any more questions? Deep learning is the next course. This is not, the deep learning will not cover here. See, step by step, we have to go step by step. Don't don't try to jump to sky directly. Try to take one step and then go to the next level. Do we cover that? No, we are not covering the deep learning at this moment. Okay, do you cover pandas, numpy? Yes, pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Seaborn I am not covering. Matplotlib is enough. Seaborn, I think in the logistic regression concepts, I will touch those Seaborn library little bit. Okay, next. What is the difference between AI and the data science? Yeah, good question. AI is the separate, actually independent concept. When the data science was introduced, as a part of the data science, AI is one part. Okay, and inside the AI, there is the machine learning. Inside AI, there is the machine learning. Artificial intelligence, this is the analysis part actually. Okay, AI plus big data plus visualization. If you combine all of them, you will get the data science. Yeah. Next doubt. Yeah. Apart from the class, how much time we need to devote? Yeah. See, I will not give you the much work. Okay. Anyway, you have the weekend, 2 days weekend, so you can complete your work. You have to spend. I think you have to spend uh, 1 hour for 2 days. Okay, for example, today and tomorrow exercises you can complete it. How much time you can spend, that will be beneficial for you only. Okay, that is based on your situation. And then, do you cover pandas, numpy, matplotlib? Yes, we are covering. Skills required for statistics? Yes, I'm covering the descriptive statistics. Whatever the skills required for the statistics, that I am covering. Okay, as the syllabus. What is the course fee? Course fee you have to ask there. That is not my question. I have to. Okay, no problem, no problem, Rahul. Yeah, no problem. Do we cover the real-time project? Yes. One minute, one thing. Here at the project, I have to give one clarification. Nobody can cover the project in the 1 month course. Even if someone says that I'm providing the project, don't believe it, because data science projects and machine learning projects, they will take several months or years. So don't believe that. If they are providing some project, means they are giving the pre-designed project, they are just explaining it. It is not the project. Case study, I can say that it is a case study. Those type of case studies, every exercise is a case study for you in our course. For example, linear regression, you will get one case study. Polynomial, you will get one case study. Logistic regression, you will get one case study. If you consider that as the project, you will get number of projects actually. Yes, real time project, it will take year, 1 year. It is not possible in the course. But case studies, actually in the market, the case studies are calling the projects. I don't want to call them as the project. I don't want to decrease that level. Yeah. What is the duration? Yeah, I told you 30 sessions. I'm not sticking on the 30 sessions. That may be little bit extended. Little bit means maximum 1 week, it may be extended. Maximum. That is depending upon your performance. Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts? I'm waiting for the questions. Still, if you have doubts, please ask me. I'm ready to answer here. Even if I answer your questions, if you are not able to understand, again, if you have some more doubts, you can ask. Yeah. Yes, I already told that 17 years of total experience and 6 years in the same field. No, web scraping I'm not covering. I'm just covering how to take the data from the web. I will give some code in the Python. In Python, data retrieving the data, it is a part of the steps getting data. That is the getting data. Not complete web scraping is covered. Yeah. Can I put 3+ experience after the course? No. Don't go for the fake experience, please. You can show that I already have this experience and I know these concepts because I learned this. So you can go to the companies like that. I don't suggest to put the fake experience. Yes, PPTs you will get. After this course, will we get 1 minute? Will we get all knowledge about machine learning? No, it is not possible. I'm not. I'm not. I didn't complete my complete machine learning because still research is going on in machine learning. Every day one new paper is publishing. Every day one new paper is publishing. New techniques are coming. So there is no end for the machine learning. I cannot say that I know everything in machine learning. I cannot say. I can make you comfortable because machine learning is the ocean. Data science is the ocean. So okay, I think you understand. See, I know everything in mathematics. How funny it is. Same thing here also. Even the mathematics lecturer, he may be expert in one area. All the faculty also same. We will be expert in one area. Yeah. Will you be covering recommendation engine system? No. Recommendation is higher level. I'm not covering the recommendation system. This is the level 1 course, machine learning, strictly. What is the job demand for this course nowadays? Yes, huge demand. Huge demand is there. Okay. Is it important to read like algorithms books? Yes, you can read any number of books, but I will suggest some books. I will suggest some books. Don't go for all books. If you find some books and if you want to read that, please send me one copy to me. I will verify, and whether it is a good book or not, I will tell you. Then you can follow. Okay. Any more doubts? I hope I'm answering all your doubts. Yeah. How much Python knowledge is required for this course? Because I don't have Python knowledge. I'm starting with Python only. I'm starting from the scratch for Python. Whatever required for the data science, that part I will explain you, and I will take you into the data science. That is in the machine learning. Not that, of course, is the part of the data science. Can I submit the case studies as MCA project? Yes, definitely. You will get very good score. If you want to submit that as the MCA project, I will suggest you some more enhancements for those case studies. So you can submit them. Not an issue. I can guide you that project also. Guide you in the sense, I can give the guidelines. I cannot give the code. Okay. Only level 1 will be covered as the part of this course. Yes. This is a level 1. This is the course. For fetching the data from different sources and converting into proper format, will Hadoop or Spark basics would be covered? No. No need of Hadoop and Spark here. Hadoop is for data engineering. It is the part of the data engineering. Spark is also the on top of Hadoop. Okay. You can go for Hadoop or you need not go for Hadoop also. Without going to the Hadoop also, you have so many libraries in Python. Our platform is Python platform. We are not going for the Hadoop platform. We are going through the Python platform. Okay, Hadoop course itself will take lot of time. It will take 1 month course completely. Yes, sure, you can. Yes, this is the course. And if time permits and if you people are very much interested, then I will go for the artificial neural networks concept. And SVM I will cover, definitely I will cover, which is not displaying on the screen. That is SVM, support vector meshes, that I will cover. On addition to that also, if time permits, I will cover the artificial neural networks, which is the part of the deep learning. Matplotlib is, yeah, it is not displayed, but I'm covering the Matplotlib. Without Matplotlib, you cannot go for the pre-processing of data. Matplotlib is missing in the screen, on the screen, but Matplotlib I am covering. After pandas, immediately I will cover the Matplotlib, and then we will start the descriptive statistics. Without Matplotlib, you cannot visualize the data. Without visualization, you cannot go for the model fitting. Understand? I'm not skipping, don't worry. Yeah, any more doubts, please? Yeah, how is the session completely? What you feel about the session? Of course, you will get the feedback form also. I want my feedback on the spot. What you feel? Please let me know. What will be the regular class timing? Yeah, good question. Actually, I forgot to mention that. I am planning for from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. If it is not possible for you, I can continue the same time, that is 8 to 9 p.m. IST. I think 7:30 to 8:30 is a good time. Yes, from tomorrow onwards. Yeah, 7:30 will be the good time. Yes, I feel that. Anybody is having the objection for 7:30? 7:30 p.m. IST, please confirm. Anyone is having problem? I have class at 9 p.m. so far. So for 7:30 is good for me. Yeah. One more thing. Actually, yeah, you will get a mail tomorrow, because tomorrow I may have some other appointment for emergency work. So you will get the mail whether tomorrow there is a class or not from the institute. Okay. But 7:30 is good for me. I suggest 7:30. If you have anyone is having objection at 7:30 p.m., please let me know. 7:30 to 8:30 my preferred time. If you have any objection, please let me know. Can you do the session on GoToWebinar instead of GoToTraining? That you have to ask the institute. GoToTraining is good, I think. Okay, not a problem. Yeah, please give me the feedback. I'm not getting the feedback about the class. Is it good or bad? You tell me how you feel. Hmm. Good, thank you. You are not getting the questions? I think everyone is getting the questions, I think. I'm answering that. Okay, I will read the question then. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Ajay. Yeah, this is just an introduction. I did not touch the topics because you may feel that I am going through the theory concept continuously, but theory is important for some extent. And then we have to enter into the practical. Then it will be in the middle of the course. Himanshu, uh, the demo class for the concept, I think it will be the middle of the course. How can I give the middle of the course to you? Even if I take the concept in the middle of the course, from the middle of the course, you are not able to understand. Okay, that is the main problem. Some students are directly sending the messages to you. That's okay. Okay, no problem. I will read the questions. The main problem is I don't have any problem to take the concept as the demo, but only the problem is you will not able to understand because the connecting will be missing. Connecting class will be missing. Okay, this class will be uploaded on the YouTube, that I don't know. You have to ask your institute. Yeah, so I hope it is good. Okay, if you are interested, you please continue from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because I already told you tomorrow I may have some appointment. It was not fixed actually. Tomorrow you will get a message. You will get the mail. Yeah, I think it is clear now. I think I can close the session. Yeah, thank you for listening. Still, if you have any queries, you can talk to the management, and they will inform me, and they can connect me directly to you. You can make the call and I can talk to you personally also. It is not a problem for me. Okay, okay, then thank you for listening. Thank you so much. So I'm winding up the session. If you have any doubts, I'm giving 2 minutes to ask the questions. If you have any questions, you can ask. Yeah, 2 minutes time I'm giving. If you have any questions, I'm winding up the session. Please ask the questions if you have. Yeah, we are sending. We are sending. I think the institute people, they are sending. Yes, we will have the recorded session for each and every class. Okay, then I'm closing the session. Yeah. One more. Yeah, something is there. Tomorrow my session conducted. Yeah, tomorrow. That's what I told you, right? Venkatram Reddy. Yeah. So tomorrow there may be class or no. You will get the message tomorrow, and if you want, I think you joined just now, so you will get the recorded session for this session, and you may have the class tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You will get the message. No. Previous session is also same. It is a repetition of the previous session. Nothing was there. Repetition only. Next session will be continued. No. You need not have the video because the whatever I explained today, the previous session was also same. Only demo was conducted. So you need not have the previous session. This is the first class only. This is the first class only. Are you getting my voice? This is the first class only. Yeah. This is the first class only. Don't worry. And for this also you will get the recorded session. Got it? Okay, I'm going now. Thank you. Winding up the session. If you have any doubts, you can contact the institute. Thank you. Thank you for listening. When will we record a session? I think institute people, they will upload in the YouTube and they will give you the link. They will send you the link. Okay. I'm not maintaining the recorded session actually. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I'm closing the session. Thank you for listening.